Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Krakow, Poland, and behind me is the old synagogue. I'll just read it to you, so that way I don't make a mistake, because I usually tend to make mistakes, so I might as well not. Old Synagogue is an Orthodox Jewish synagogue in the Kazimierz district of Krakow, Poland. In Yiddish, it was referred to as the Alta Shul. It is the oldest synagogue building still standing in Poland, and one of the most precious landmarks of Jewish architecture in Europe, all of Europe. Until the German invasion of Poland in 1939, it was one of the most important synagogues in the city, as well as the main religious, social, organizational center of the Krakow Jewish community. That's what's behind me. Let's take a look at it. Well, I'm glad I read that to you, because I know I would have butchered that in a big way. So this has been around for a long time, and they do tours here all the time. And I love the Jewish star on the fences, and it's just an old synagogue. It needs some grass trimming and such, but let me show you the other side. Almost all the tourists come to the other side. So let me show you what that looks like too. And I think that's the entrance. This doesn't look like it has a handle on it even, so I don't know what the deal is. And the big Jewish star on the window there. But you can see the people down here, and tours just left when I was pulling up just now, and it looks like it's open, so let's see if we can get inside. And I'm sure they're probably not gonna let me go in and film, but who knows, we'll see. And it's out here in front of this little market area, where there's lots of little restaurants and all sorts of stuff. And you can see the tour shuttles come through here. And this is what it looks like on this side. And that almost looks like a castle wall over there. And you can go around to that other side too. But let me go over here and see what this sign says. The Old Synagogue. And here it is. Oh, it's a museum now. Huh. How much does it cost to get in? 30 minutes for. Let me go in here and look. Sorry. It's his seat. Anyway, how much is it to get in? It is 18 zloty, so $5-ish. And this is the old building right here. Pretty amazing. It certainly has had its history, hasn't it? And this is the Kazimierz district, which is kind of interesting too. I mean, in this wall, I mean, I just left Tallinn and it had ramparts, kind of like that. I say ramparts, what is that called? A walkway or a, I don't know what that is. But let me turn this corner here and you can see what I'm seeing this way. Very cool. Okay, everybody. Well, at least you know where the museum's at. Bye, everybody.